Climate change is undoubtedly one of the most challenging issues the planet and the human race will face for the foreseeable future. Among the major contributors of greenhouse gases that are accelerating global warming, methane and propane leaking from oil and gas infrastructure, wells, pipelines, and refineries are at the top of the list. A steady flow of these fugitive emissions is leaking into the atmosphere around the clock and around the world, and mitigating them has long been a difficult, imprecise, expensive, and often dangerous task. But with the help of cutting-edge infrared technology, the effort to detect, identify, and reduce this source of greenhouse gases is getting a whole lot easier.
Thermal imaging cameras are used extensively in a wide variety of different applications. Those fall into military, law enforcement, public safety, into building energy audits, agricultural, medical, counter-drone systems. The use of optical gas imaging cameras is important because it allows people to detect and visualize these gas leaks that they otherwise would not be able to see with their own eye. It gives them then the idea of how large the cloud is, what the size of it is, how it's moving, where it's going, so that they can get people out of harm's way.
Located in the picturesque town of Hood River, Oregon, Sierra-Olympia Technologies is an innovative company specializing in small but powerful infrared cameras. One of their most exciting products is a groundbreaking camera that visualizes hydrocarbon gases, including methane, butane, and propane. The camera, called Ventus OGI, is compact and light enough to integrate into a small drone and sensitive enough to pinpoint even small leaks from moderate distances.
We've always been at the top of the technology pyramid throughout our 25 years in history, always dealing with the latest sensors available, always pushing the limits with optics and integration. We have an experience base, a team of scientists and engineers here who have touched and been involved with a lot of technology in bigger companies. And being a smaller company dedicated to quality, dedicated to innovation, we're able to deliver a high level of capability.
While reducing harmful gas is the most broadly impactful, it's just one of a vast and ever-growing number of applications for thermal imaging technology.
Our optical gas imaging cameras are used in 4 primary applications. One would be aerial platforms. The second one would be continuous monitoring systems for process safety. The third one would be handheld portable systems, the walk-around type routes where they want to get much closer to the equipment. And the final would be robotic systems that are typically ground-based. Some of the benefits of optical gas imaging cameras includes the ability to be able to scan large areas very quickly, very efficiently, be able to detect where the point source of the gas leak is coming from. It creates action because it's visual. They're able to see it, they know what is happening, and from that they can speed up their repairs.
After more than 25 years in the industry, Sierra-Olympia Technologies has built a reputation as a respected authority on small, lightweight, and highly sophisticated infrared camera systems that exceed the demands of customers around the world.
Sierra-Olympia is pursuing 2 major market demands right now. The first market demand is smaller sensors, just lighter weight, lower volume sensors, more pixels, more resolution. And customers want more flavors of those high resolution sensors, and that's mostly surrounding new processors in AI and machine learning, all to add more capability to the overall system. The infrared industry is very young, and we have people who have been involved with the company from the very beginning. And then how we round out our team is we just find all the best and the brightest that we can. Any talented person that comes through our door, we create a position for them if we need them. If we don't have a job description, we'll create a job description. So we're excited about being able to contribute to the remediation of leaking methane in this whole climate change problem.
Thermal imaging allows us to see what can't be seen with the human eye. The solutions this technology provides are limitless. It allows us to see at night, through fog, smoke, and fire, to detect moisture, identify hazards, prevent failures, and precisely measure temperature from a distance. As infrared technology gets smaller, lighter, and more capable, unmanned aerial vehicles are going through a similar evolution. When the two technologies align, like they have with Sierra-Olympia technologies and optical gas imaging, we see powerful solutions for urgent global problems. For more information, go to sierraolympic.com or call 541-716-0015.